rides in slow, white wolf skin on his head, snow bright fur in the sun, black boots by the bed. He knows the creek by name, and he knows how to grin. Cougars walk at his heel, grizzlies follow him in. He pours fire in a jar, sharp as a winter ice. Every town he touches learns his kind of ice. Little bird, wild as the pine. Little bird, he draws that hard line. Little bird, run when he grins. Little bird, the West lets him win. Little bird. He sold them chalk and smoke behind the red mud shed, counted coins in the dark, then he broke the bank's bread. He laughed at the ledgers, spit on the brass door, hit the teller box blind, left them wanting more. He pours fire in a jar, sharp as winter ice. Every town he touches learns his kind of vice. Little bird, wild as the pine. Little bird, he draws that hard line. Little bird, run when he grins. Little bird, the West lets him win. Little bird. Marshall came for his neck at the edge of town. Little bird raised his spear and laid that low man down. Bowstring sang in the wind, arrow bit the night. Then he made one more batch under pale moonlight. Hear that creekside glass, hear that ember roll. Best damn burn in the wild, best cap liquor soul. Bears at the barrel, cats on the ridge. Little bird drinks with ghosts and he laughs at the bridge. Little bird, wild as the pine. Little bird, he draws that hard line. Little bird, run when he grins. Little bird, the West lets him win. Little bird.